कुफरी हॉलिडे रिजॉर्ट के प्रबंधक श्री ध्यानचंद हम कुफरी हॉलिडे रिजॉर्ट में मिस डिवाइन ब्यूटी पेजेंट के उल्लेखनीय प्रतिभागियों का स्वागत करते हुए रोमांचित हैं। इन युवा महिलाओं को एक साथ आते हुए, अपने व्यक्तित्व को अपनाते हुए और विविध संस्कृति का जश्न मनाते हुए देखना प्रेरणादायक है। हिमाचल प्रदेश का परिचय, संपत्ति यात्रा और मनमोहक हिमाचली लोक नृत्य जैसी गतिविधियों के माध्यम से हम न केवल सुंदरता को बढ़ावा दे रहे हैं, बल्कि इस क्षेत्र की समृद्ध विरासत के साथ गहरा संबंध भी बना रहे हैं। डिवाइन ग्रुप फाउंडेशन के संस्थापक और सीईओ श्री दीपक अग्रवाल, मिस डिवाइन ब्यूटी की यात्रा सतही दिखावे से परे है। हम महिलाओं को आत्मविश्वासी, बुद्धिमान और सांस्कृतिक रूप से जागरूक होने के लिए सशक्त बनाने में जुटे हैं। कुफरी हॉलिडे रिजॉर्ट में प्रतिभागियों की उपस्थिति एक संलयन के साथ आई है। लालित्य और परंपरा का परिचय, संपत्ति का दौरा, मनमोहक हिमाचली लोक नृत्य इस प्रतियोगिता के समग्र सार को प्रदर्शित करते हैं, जिससे प्रत्येक प्रतिभागी को हिमाचल की संस्कृति और पोशाक को बढ़ावा देने में योगदान करने की अनुमति मिलती है।
को दिखाना, पूरी दुनिया को दिखाना हिंदुस्तान क्या है। आज हिमाचल में हम हैं और हिमाचली folk आपने देखा, सभी विनर्स हैं, बेटिक्स ने साथ मिलकर एंजॉय किया। यही स्पिरिट हमें दिखानी है। नेचुरल डिजास्टर, आपको लैंडस्लाइड्स ऐसा, बट वी हैव टू बी कॉन्फिडेंट, मोटिवेटेड, और दिस गर्ल्स आर गोइंग टू रिप्रेजेंट इंडिया इन फ्रंट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। सो इनका कॉन्फिडेंस देख के हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा। हमारे कुफरी हॉलिडे रिजॉर्ट के जो चेयरमैन हैं ध्यानचंद जी, उन्होंने बहुत तहे दिल से पूरा सम्मान दिया है सबको और बहुत अच्छी हॉस्पिटलिटी है। आज का तो बहुत ही शानदार प्रोग्राम रहा।
हमने आज ये इवेंट में इतना एंजॉय किया है। द कल्चर ऑफ हिमाचल हमें अभी रग रग से पता है। उनकी क्लोथिंग, the way they eat, their music, their dance, everything was displayed in this event. और ये event was very close to our heart because Himachal is a very important state in India, but however we don't know a lot about it. So through this event हमें इतना सारा पता चला about their culture. So I am very very happy. मुझे एक ऑनर लग रहा है ये पहन के, because एक कल्चर का क्लोथ्स पहनने का इज़ लाइक एन ऑनर. यू हैव टू फील प्राउड, यू आर रिप्रेजेंटिंग अ कल्चर इन इंडिया. इसलिए आई एम वेरी हैप्पी एंड आई फील एक्सट्रीमली प्रिटी इन दिस.
I just loved the entire experience. It was truly magnificent, like bringing about all the cultures here. Like we all come from different states, and still we got united today. And all of you, like we all enjoyed the entire vibe of Himachal, like all the dances, music, and of course you've seen how like we were all laughing and we were like so excited. And tough hota chala jayega. Matlab we are enjoying, we are happy. We are we are very grateful to Kufri Holiday Resort. They have they have really got it out from all of us. Like we are having a really good time here, the best time of my life maybe, because I've met so many girls, especially from different states, and we are all like we got this close bond. And today was really nostalgic. Like it was so good. I can't get out of it right now. Even the videos and everything you played, like I'm still stuck in that vibe. We are actually very emotional right now.
कोई के आँख में आंसू आ गए थे हम ये वीडियोस देख के, क्योंकि ये एक एक्सपीरियंस है जो एक लाइफ टाइम में मिलता है. तो कंपटीशन तो बढ़ता जाएगा पर मेमोरीज भी साथ में बढ़ती जाएगी. इसलिए हम बहुत दिल से ग्रेटफुल है इसके लिए.
मेहनत भी करें
और मेहनत तो फुल चल रही है. सुबह 6 बजे से रात के 2 बजे तक.
मैं किसी भी होटल से कम्पीट नहीं करना चाहता. बहुत होटल है जो कि एग्जिम से एग्जिम होते हैं, लेकिन मैं यहाँ कमेंट क्या करना चाहता हूँ, फ्रेंडली रिसोर्ट जहाँ पर लोगों को बाहर हो, जहाँ पर हरियाली की बाहर हो, जहाँ ये लगे आप सांस खुली है. और दूसरी बात आपने देखा होगा कि आज का जो हमें कल्चर प्रोग्राम करवाया है, इसमें मैं हिमाचल को जो है दुनिया के सामने बताना चाहता हूँ कि हमारा कल्चर प्रोग्राम कितना रिच है, कितना लोग एंजॉय कर सकते हैं. आपने देखा होगा कि हमारे हिमाचली आर्टिस्ट कितने अच्छे हैं और उन्होंने इतना इन्वॉल्व कर दिया कि जो हमारी यहाँ लड़कियाँ जो आई जा रही हैं, जो अपने दुनिया में अपने इंडिया का नाम करना चाहती हैं, वो कितनी खुश हैं, कितना उन्होंने अपने आप को जो है वो आई थिंक दे हैव लॉट ऑफ टैलेंट. इतना दिखाया उन्होंने, ऐसा लग नहीं रहा था कि बाहर से ही, ऐसा लग रहा है पार्ट ऑफ हिमाचल प्रदेश, पार्ट ऑफ, सो दे आर ऑल दिस व्हाट यू कॉल इंटीग्रेटेड इंडिया.
इस तरह की और क्या-क्या सारी एक्टिविटीज होने वाली हैं?
Yes, definitely, why not? Because now you know that Miss Earth World, she's coming on 22nd. Miss International, she's coming on 22nd. Then I think Miss Earth only won. She won in 2010. She's going to come here. The last year, I think winner of Miss India Earth, she's also going to come. Definitely, we will do that, and I think you will be happy to know, and the birds will be happy to know that it's not necessary that you should have a very luxurious hotel. More important that we should really protect our culture.
सर ये कार्यक्रम कितना यादगार रहने वाला है तो
इतना
यादगार रहने वाला है
I think it will be historical कार्यक्रम because whenever there will be a history that in 2023 the Miss World and Miss Earth she was selected at Miss India definitely going to be out of these girls. Miss Earth is going to be out of these girls. This will remain in the history of 2023 Miss Earth and Miss International. I think it should remain as a part of history forever.
हम कहते हैं ना कि अगर एक लड़का शिक्षित होता है तो एक फैमिली शिक्षित होती है, और अगर एक लड़की शिक्षित होती है तो बहुत सारी फैमिलीज शिक्षित होती हैं, उसके इन-लॉज, आगे उनके बच्चे, मतलब हम बहुत सारी, तो आप लोगों को बहुत आगे बढ़ना है, और स्पेशली जो डाउन टू ट्रॉडन हैं उनके लिए तो आपको बहुत काम करना है, स्पेशली गर्ल्स जो हैं उनके लिए आप काम करिए, उनकी एजुकेशन के लिए आप काम करिए, बहुत सारी जगह आपको मिलेंगी जहाँ आप काम.
Actually, it's very tough, but then when you have to handle tough situation, you also need to be bold and strong. So that's what we women are. All the women here are also doing their own professions as well as they're managing pageantry. Strategies as such, just you need to stay confident and true to yourself. That's what I believe. I don't have any particular kind of strategy. I'm gonna be true to myself. Yes, of course, we all had our preparations, and I have had my fair share of preparations with an international pageant before as well. Beginners. Of course, everybody will be excited and all. At the same time, I would suggest all the beginners.
I just want to say that it's very important to be true to yourself. And when you come to a pageant, it's more about who you are instead of who other people are. So just focus on yourself, be a queen that you are, and just rock it.
And I think for beginners, it's very important to have a space in your society, have your voice, and be confident and be true to yourself, and do those things what you like, not others people you are telling to do or you are stopping to do something. Just go for it and do whatever you like. You will achieve it in your life.
I'm very grateful for this opportunity because this kind of opportunity comes once in a lifetime, and I really hope I make the best of it. Thank you.
It was very nice, and the warm welcome they gave with the garland, and it was very nice. It was more than the expectation, and the service here and the gentleness and humbleness is so amazing. I wanna come back again with my family for sure.
And Divine Group India for making me a part of this journey, and our hospitality partner for having us and giving us a warm welcome. We are looking forward for all the upcoming events, and we have all 16 beautiful girls here who are competing for this pageant, and I really hope that best one wins.
My journey so far has been absolutely amazing. This journey is full of ups is what I would like to say. It's a new experience for all of us, and I'm looking forward for the finale. Talking about Miss Earth and Miss International, Miss Earth and Miss International is not only about outer beauty, but it stands for the inner beauty, and it stands for a very strong message, which is save the environment. A girl who can talk and make the audience listen is the girl which should win. Thank you.
So hello everyone, I Kasak Katuria. Very grateful at the journey of Miss Divine Beauty. Very honored and overwhelmed with this, and special thanks to Kurfi Hotel that gave us a warm welcome, a warm hotel, a warm weather. Everything was very cool and good. And Miss Earth and Miss International is looking for the honesty, and honesty is the best policy. And they are also looking for a girl who is down towards earth, who is a girl who can inspire every individual out there.
So thank you.
The journey so far is so amazing, and I'm so grateful for this platform and to Miss Divine Beauty India. I feel that the one who will be the winner should be very true to herself, true to the environment, and the motto that I bought here is like imperfection is perfect. So you need to be you to win. That is something that inspires me a lot.
For me, I think coming here is a dream come true for me. Being a part of the entire thing, getting a chance to represent my country on an international level, and having the potential to like reach masses, reach girls out there, and empower them to be themselves is what the entire pageant talks about, and it's really going great up till now. Kufri has been an amazing hospitality partner. It's again one of the dream places that we are a part of, and their hospitality and the way they've been has been amazing. We are planning to do a lot of shoots and a lot of activities ahead as well. So let's see, and may the journey be as fruitful as possible.
So I believe Miss Divine is looking for a queen who's ready to inspire others, not to be like herself, but to be like themselves. And I believe that I have all those qualities in me, and I'm looking forward to this journey, learning lots and lots of things. And I'm having a great and luxurious stay here at Kufri. So looking forward to the journey. Thank you.
So hi everyone, I'm really grateful to Divine Group for this opportunity and this platform, and also to Kufri Holiday Resort. It is such a beautiful place and the scenery is absolutely beautiful, and I'm really enjoying the stay, and I'm really excited for the journey ahead, and I really hope that the girl who truly deserves win this title and goes to the international platform and represents our country proudly. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, it's such an honor to be here amongst the top 16 finalists in Divine Group of India. I'm just so very grateful to Divine Group of India. Also talking about the hospitality partner is just so amazing. The warm welcome that we received today was just so wholesome, and we all are overwhelmed. I would like to say that Divine Group of India is searching for a girl who is relatable to everyone, and for me pageants has always been about the inner beauty more than the outside appearance. So I believe that with Divine Beauty alongside all of us, we all can just learn, evolve and be the better version of ourselves.